Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today I am Devonna Nicole. Thank you for joining me. Today I will be unboxing the Beem box. So this is a black owned bi-monthly subscription box that is made for people with darker skin tones like myself. And again, the name of the company is the Beem box. So this box costs $39.95 bi-monthly, and you receive 5 to 6 products that are made for people of a darker skin tone. This is a subscription box that costs $39.95 plus $5 shipping and handling costs. So you receive this box every other month. So I enjoy this box. I love the fact that they have the lady with the lips showing. Her lips are always different every time we get a box. So because this box is like a beauty box, I am going to go ahead and use some of the products out of the box today. So I did take a sneak peek, so I know which ones to use. So I look a little muted because there's no eyeshadow, there's no lips, there's no eyeliner, and there's no mascara on. So we will make use of what's in our box today for the purpose of this video. So guys, if you're new to my channel, thanks for stopping by. I do post weekly. I do different subscription unboxings and hauls, so feel free to peruse some of my other videos. But for now, let's get into this box. So guys, when you get the box, it does come with an information card. It says the Beem box here, and it says I'm ready for my close-up. So the back of the card tell you what's inside the box. It tells you a brief description of your products, and we're just going to jump right in and get started. So, and this is what the box looks like when I open it up and peel back the paper. And let's start with our first product here. Alira. I believe that's Alira. I'm not exactly sure how to pronounce this company, but they have a nostalgic body butter on here, and it says feel confident with this moisturizing body butter made with sandalwood and patchouli. So let's take a peek. So it looks like a shea based product to me. Shea butter works well for my skin, so I don't know about the rest of you. Let's see what the information card says. So it says it's a moisturizing body butter made by Alira Apothecary. It delivers a luxurious experience that moisturizes the skin, warms the mood. The nostalgia body butter is 100% organic, providing your skin with rich nutrients to make it smooth and soft for a glowing experience. And because it's winter, my skin dries out, so I'm going to go ahead and use some. So it's a bit of a firm body butter here. And I'm going to warm it up in between my hands and rub it on my skin. And you do smell the patchouli. Yeah, I do smell that patchouli a lot. My hands aren't greasy, so that's a good sign, right? So it's not greasy, definitely. My skin does feel moisturized, so that's a plus. So we are going to move from our Alira Apothecary body butter and go to our next product. And guys, it does not say what these products cost, so if I find out when I finish the video, then I'll just post it with what they cost, but I'm not exactly sure. It's not on my information card. And the next product that I have is Mimi Expert Liner. So we do have a liner for me to try out in here. We have the Mimi makeup brand, and this is the Expert Liner. The liner is designed to give you full control and ultra precision with long wearing definition. With this innovative thin and flexible tip, expect a quick drying, smudge proof, and water resistant finish in one stroke. As seen in Cosmetology magazine. I don't get that magazine, so I didn't see it in there, but let's just pop it out and see what it looks like. Oh, okay, so it looks good, nice and silver, so you guys can see. And we do see that it does have a nice precision tip, and I'm gonna just do a quick swatch on my hand here just to show you. And it does move with the lighter stroke, so I thought that was pretty good. So we'll try this out for our look, and I'll do my look at the end so we can see what I look like with everything that's in our box here. The next product I have is Medusa Makeup, and this is a matte lipstick. liquid lipstick. So it says here on our card, this beautiful liquid lipstick goes from wet to matte in a matter of seconds. The Stay On All Day formula glides on smoothly and for an easy application, then dries to a perfect matte lip. So we're also going to try this one out. The color we have is called Hanky Panky. I think this is a beautiful color here. Let me get in here and pull it out so I can show you guys what we are working with for this color. And I'm going to put this on my lips as well so you guys will see what it looks like on me. But this is what it looks like outside of the packaging. And this looks like a really nice color. I can't wait to try this out. You know, I like my purplish looking color, so I can't wait to try that one out. So let's go with the next thing in our box. So the next thing is Laritzi. This is a eyeshadow palette, and it's made by it's an artist palette is the name of it, artistry palette. And the company is Laritzi. The Artistry palette features a mix of mattes and shimmers. These shadows are formulated to deliver a smooth, highly blendable color and buildable look for the eye that will take you from day to night. So let's pop this out. The one that I have here is in Burnt is the shade for this particular palette. So this is what it looks like outside of the box here. And it's Laritzi Cosmetics. I've never heard of this brand before. I can't wait to try this one out. So we do have a mirror. I'm going to put the box in front of it so that the camera does not show or the lights. So this is the colors that we have. I think these are really nice and easy colors for you to work with, and I can see you definitely using this to create like a nice day look. You can play it down or play it up based on how you stack your shades or wear the shades just one shade over the eyelid and just kind of go from there. But this will work for me, so I can't wait to try this one out. So we'll put a little look together on here. And what else is in here? And the last products in here, guys, I have are 2 nail polishes. They are from Ari Nail Lacquer. And we have a white and we look like we have a red here. The red is called Simply Gorgeous. And the white is called, what is this, Blanco? Okay, Blanco is the name of that one. I love how they come. I've never had a nail polish with quite such a pointy looking tip here. So these are nourishing vegan nail colors, and they are clean, non-toxic, cruelty-free, vegan friendly, and these colors are formulated without any harmful chemicals. So this is great for people like me who wear natural nails. And this is also by a black owned company. So Ari Nail Lacquer. I can't wait to try this out. I think this will be great as well. So guys, that is what's in the box. So why don't we get started on creating our look out of this box. So let's get started. Okay guys, so off camera I applied my eyeshadow base. I use the Urban Decay. That's my favorite one for the past couple of years. And we're going to get right into starting with our eyeshadow look. So I am going to go ahead, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off with this first color here. What is this one called? And it does have the names on here. So we have Cider. We have Crisp is the next color. We have Toasted is this one. And we have, what is that? I don't know what that is. PSL, maybe? Yeah, PSL. And then PSL is this one, and this is Crumbly. Yeah, Crumbly. So I'm going to start off with the Cider in the corner and the base of my eye. And then I'm going to move to Crisp. And then I'm going to jump to the Crumbly on the end here. So that's the game plan for the eyeshadow. So you guys know what I'm doing. so far so good, so good. I'm just going to use my regular lip liner by Juvia's Place in the color Wine to line my lips. And now let's move on to our next product, our last part. Trying to make this quick for y'all, like we rushing and going to work. Yeah, so far so good. Oh, this is nice. Guys, what do you think? I think I liked all the products. I do. I really enjoyed using all the products. I thought the shades, I thought they blended pretty nice. There is a little fallout, so don't shake the brush too much when you get in the pan, but not too bad. Not much fallout. Just be careful just not to move the product around a little too much with your brush. But even still, there's still nothing falling out here. I think everything performed well with Laritzi. We created a nice little cute look. We used I really like this color. This is sharp. Eyeliner. I thought this worked really well for a liquid liner. I know a lot of people don't like to use liquids, but long as they're not runny and they're easy to work with and you don't feel like you got to stab your eyelid to put it on, this was good. I'm very happy with my look. Let me know what you guys thought about my look that we just created with what's in our palette. I'm going to finish it up with some of my Bad Girl mascara just to finish the whole look. But guys, hit me up in the comments. Let me know if you like the look. If you ordered this box, what did you think about the products inside and how did you play with them and how did that work out for you? But guys, for now, that's the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. It really helps me out. And you get to stay up to date on all my latest unboxings and postings. But until next time, guys, stay blessed, stay warm, and happy holidays. Bye!